Hello, in this video we'll take a new chapter 27, addition of fractions. Let's do I search. Complete the following table with the switchable fractions. Look, here we have a figure. What is the red colored part? The red colored part is these parts. To write the fraction represents the red colored part, we have to count all the numbers to see what is the denominator. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the denominator is 8. How many red colored parts we have? 1, 2. So the numerator is 2. Now we have to find the green colored part. We know that the denominator is 8. Now let's see what is the numerator. Let's count the green parts. 1, 2, 3. So 3 in the numerator and 8 in the denominator. Now let's see the colored part. All the colored part, green and red, are what? We know that the denominator is 8. Let's count the colored parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the numerator is 5 and the denominator is 8. Now let's see the sum. The sum of these two colored parts. The sum of the green part and the red part. The red part is 2/8. The green part is 3/8. So 2/8 plus 3/8 is equal to 5/8. Now let's look at this figure. Let's count the red part. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 in the numerator. 4 in the numerator. And let's count all the parts to know the denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the denominator is 16. Now let's see the green part. Let's count the green parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 in the numerator and the denominator is 16 because all the parts are 16. Now let's see the colored parts. All the parts are what? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 in the numerator. So now we have 9 in the numerator and 16 in the denominator. So if we add the numerator and the denominator, if we add the red part and the green part, we get 9/16. So here, if we add 4/16 and 5/16, we get 9/16. We get all the colored part. We get 9/16. Here we have a rule. What do you notice? We add the numerators and the denominator is the same. The denominator remains the same, 8, 8, 8, but we add 2 and 3, we get 5. Here the same, 16, 16, 16. So the denominator remains the same, and we add 4 plus 5 is 9. So here we have a rule. Let's see the rule. I know to add two fractions of the same denominator. The two fractions should have the same denominator. For example, 5 twelfths plus 4 twelfths. The two fractions have the same denominator, which is 12 and 12. What we do? We add the numerators. We add 5 plus 4 to get 9, and the denominator remains the same. The denominator remains 12. It doesn't change. Here we have a remark. 1 is equal to what? Is equal to all parts of the total. For example, here, what does 1 represent? It represents 12 twelfths. Why? Because all the parts are 12. So we take all parts out of total. So we take 12 out of 12. So 1 represents 12 twelfths. Thank you.